Watch, let me show them the back. Okay. Guys, this is what it's gonna look like. You can see how I do that in the back and everything. And then boom. Oh yeah, so I already know how to get that on this side. Let me see where that drops in the back.
Oh.
Just, oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, 2 floating lines of this guy. Show them how I do that. So when you met him, he's a big ass dude. He looks like Michael Myers. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah.
That fucker's huge, dude.
Especially when you're a little kid.
Once I found out what he was in there for, and I was like, damn, they let you out and you were cutting his fucking hair. It's like, damn. It's like that dude could have, tried to do something.
Yeah. I don't know. Anytime he got visitors, they had a couple of darts in the room with us.
Well, they had that. That was protocol at that camp.
Yeah.
That was all of us were like that. I'm so glad you brought me a reference photo of exactly what you wanted, because I can make it just. It's gonna be beautiful. Watch, you'll see. Yeah, and thank you for coming to see us. And now there's 3 of us here. You could book with anybody. We're all elite.
Yeah, when I first came here, I think it was just you.
Yeah, it was. Because you were here, a year ago, and me over here in a bad mood, getting my ass handed to me, doing appointment after appointment. Yeah, I really thought with changing it to Little Sir's cut that they would know better news. Like, dude, Jesus Christ, and I love you. You didn't. It was like, that's where I was like, whoa. I do a lot of hairstyles. He does great shear work. We all do great thing, all of it great, but he customizes in shear work and really neat with his scissor work. And then I do a lot of hairstyling. She does a lot of the fading. And, but like I said, we all do everything. We just have our specialties. And,
Right.
see, and with this, I could pull it like even not. It doesn't matter what I could pull it up, and I just follow with the teeth on the blade on the very front.
Yeah.
And I just follow that, etch that line, just etch it right around. Just keep following that little. What helped me with this shit, oddly enough, was doing graffiti. Because graffiti got me to easily be able to do a line and build. It was like, oh yeah, this is nothing. And the design work, how you get good is just doing it. It's because I'm just starting out with the design work. It's like, if you don't like it, it's free. You know what I mean? It's Just sort of gives you that nice. And what is that, a cartoon character or whatever that you had on there?
Yeah, I just found the artist on. I was just scrolling on Instagram
Sick.
and I saw that and I really liked it.
Yeah, that's cool, bro. That shit does sound like it too. I was like, oh yeah.
It's like some comic from France.
Sick. That's cool. Oh yeah.
I was growing my hair long like that too for a while.
Well, like Pat's hair and everything, he has an undercut. And
Yeah, it's all.
was it like that?
Okay, yeah. It was about like almost 6 inches, like 5.5.
Oh yeah. Everyone says that right when he takes his hat off. It'll be like everyone's like, "Oh shit, you have like."
He has hair.
Almost like they don't expect it. It's like.
Yeah.
But I do want to grow it out again. I just figured I'd cut off the rest
Use
of the
the one
color.
to. Oh yeah, I can't wait till you grow it back and then come sit in his seat and get that scissor haircut. That shit's gonna be a wrap.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this will look great. And then I'll have your sideburns nice and popped in. And then I won't even host the waxing or whatever. That should be private just to where it all. These fools need to see all that. Not that it matters, but I'm saying yeah, they don't. That's. He's the one that got me new wax, so I'm like stoked to use it. I was like, oh yeah. He's the one that told me I was doing the nose wax. Because I thought it was just a hairstyle and design, and then he was like, oh, no, you're doing a nose wax too. So he set that up, thank God.
Oh, cool.
That's gonna be
Already
sick.
ready to go.
Hell yeah. Dude, and it's that temperature that you have it at that's shit's like I was damn near burning the clients with that temperature I had.
Yeah, no, it's all good.
This one's nice that you have it on. Little Sir's got you walking, he's 40 years old. It's like, it's like, god damn. Dude, based off of the name, I wouldn't be able to pick that service just because it's like, it just sounds like a.
Right.
Well, shit, hell, I wouldn't. I mean, Kids Good too is pushing it, but geez, Little Sir sounds like you're real young. I could fulfill your fantasies, dude. I could get you in touch with everybody. Just saying, because I already know how you think and are, just by based off of that little conversation.
Can get it in the writing world or even in just researching criminals, I'd be a lot happier.
I want you to visit with them so you can see it like that. I can make that happen. You know what's so weird is I was there for, got sentenced to 10 years, did, 5 years on it, and we still have all law enforcement coming in here and everything. We're friends with them, they don't. It's okay that you were in trouble, it's like, but are you going to continue it or are you going to grow up?
Right.
For me, I had to grow up. It was like, dude, that's something a kid does. Seeking trouble or, fuck that. But I'm like you, I'm interested in the thought process. I got to study a lot of those. I'm only opening up about it because you did. I got to study with a lot of those individuals and question them, just the basic murders, and wonder, what gets you to, you know what I mean? And you know what I noticed, dude, through my study, and you're going to laugh at this, and I'm even online and everything. I have a YouTube channel. I'm going to even tell you, dude, but what's really weird, but I did a big study. They all have big heads. I don't know what that is, but I'm just saying a lot of those dudes that were like that, they all had bigger cranial features. I'm just telling you. It's something that later might come out and you might say, damn, that idiot was right. He was telling the truth about something.
All the different pictures I've seen of them all.
It's just weird. Like, I noticed they have bigger cranial features. It was like, it's just one thing that I saw in common with a lot of them. They have that bigger head. And
real quick, I'm assuming that you guys were probably not using the CVCI Wi-Fi name that was on the modem.
Probably not. No, we were not.
Alright, so I will need to change that.
Oh, so you want to change the, okay, let me just real quick watch it and then I'll, just because I don't want these guys to hear what it is. You want to tell them what it is outside real quick, Pat? Just to, what we're going to use for the passcode.
Just,
or write it down for them, that way.
The password
For the internet. Yeah, because I don't want to shout it out on,
Yeah.
just, yeah, name and password and I'll get it changed for you guys. Oh, okay, I never remember it.
no, that's all right. Oh yeah, you can, whatever you want. It's
Dude,
no big deal.
I do so many of these jobs, I never remember passwords.
Yeah, and it isn't for that of you, it's for these people online, just in case. Sorry, guys, I trust all of you, but I can't have my internet slowing down. All right, now I can see why you. That's perfect. And how do you wear your hair?
Usually I just have it like slick back, or like when I had it longer, I'd have it like to the side, and like kind of messy.
Well, but how do you want it today, since it's an undercut?
I don't know, I guess like slick back a bit.
You want it going back?
Yeah.
I can do that. That way I can know how to cut the back and have it lay real good.
Yeah.
That way it's nice and even and more. And then I can add something back here.
Yeah, I like struggle with it because like my hair is like curly. So then like, yeah.
You could do a Brazilian blonde on you and make it straight as a motherfucker
Alright.
Yeah.
for like the next 4
That was
months.
probably an original model. We do what's called the dual band networks now.
Oh yeah, watch, I'll have this go back
It's more
slick. I'll style
beneficial
this sick
to
for
the
you.
devices to do that.
Yeah, put the hair down so I can see right away.
Just beard up. Of course, they said right hand. Next window.
And so what I even mean, real quick, watch it. He's a convicted murderer. His name is Rick Clapsy. He has life plus 72. Look at his big fucking head. That's what I'm saying. It's, you know what I mean? That fucking, something about those, it's just. With the scissor cut or the hairstyle, it should never be left wet. Just because it should be completely dried, and then if they're not having product, at least it's ready to go. And then the classic clipper haircut, you know, if it's not having any product and it's slightly wet to the side or whatever, it can be like that. But this one has to be. See, and there's a tiny bit of color in the front of his hair, but I can see if I'm going to be able to, just because it looks so good the way it is right now. I got to make sure that, you know, color didn't get shorter on one end there.
Yeah.
That way it's not uneven or whatever. And,
Yeah.
but also being mindful of what you said by getting rid of it. But without making you know, you look like a fool or any of that shit.
Yeah.
Because how you look is going to be, you know, a compliment to your haircut is a compliment to me. So this is, you know, not just how you look, but it's an image of how I cut, what I do.
Yeah.
See, and so when you wanted it back here, even like Pat, like where I just came in and so look, because anyone would wonder, damn, he's going backwards with the undercut to where it could almost look. But how I made it drip like that without having a weird look to the back is I just pulled it. Like when I come here, I just came right here and I looked to see if there was anything, and I could do a tiny bit of reverse point cutting into that, and it just, you know, make sure there's nothing that, and that's how that back is. That's a fucking trick in the back for sure. And see, what did you want in your hair? Something matte or shiny?
Matte.
Okay, sick. Then it's gonna be the paste. See, because right off the rip, like, so if I wanted to, I can say, okay, well, do you want something with a strong hold or a lighter hold? He probably wants lighter hold, right?
Yeah.
All right, so it's paste. And so, you know, guys, this is 1821 man-made paste. This is the best shit in the business. If you don't know, now you know. Again, you guys rub that shit in. Just gets nice and warm. And you come right over here and pop it in his hair. Hair looks elite. And he might like this. He might not, but he might not. Just kidding, he will. And I'm still gonna do the waxing on you. I just want to show you first this, and then once this passed the test, then I'll shut the camera off and then do the waxing.
Oh hell yeah, yeah.
You like it?
Oh yeah.
Sick. Get your hair. You have really good hair. That's what it really is.
And you did that so fast too. That design, it came out so good.
You like it?
Oh yeah.
Sick.